Alright, so we're going to do this uncut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Sloppy Mechanics Holley power tap ECU hookup for Alternator flex fuel. So there's two different versions of this he makes. One is like $40. This one is 90, I think it is, 90 bucks, 90 or 99. And this one has flex and alternator hookup. So you can see we have flex fuel sensor plug hook up here. You have coon tuned with the raccoon heat shrink on there. Holley flex input, Holley power tap. This goes to power tap, flex input goes to ECU, and then you have alternator wiring, right? So this thing is beautifully loomed and heat shrinked. This is really nice for something to be handmade. I mean, this is really cool. So what I want to do is I'm going to tie that thing in a knot and chuck it on the dashboard. I'm going to start the car and show you that the alternator is not charging. Inside and I'm going to hook this thing up. I'm going to move the camera around. Like I said, I just wanted to do it unedited, uncut, so you guys can see exactly what the deal is. So I'm going to take the power tap side, go inside the car, and I'm not going to be using the flex sensor right now. I'm just going to take the alternator. I'm going to stick that through my firewall. And then I already plugged in the power tap section. So now I'm going to take this thing. I'll even be kind of fancy and plug it in. Now let's go over here. Back to where we were. See that? When he says it's plug and play, guys, it's plug and play.